going on, everybody? I'm just checking in real quick. Got a job today. Got a back patio on the front walkway. So it's a townhouse, and it's not like an area, a side walkway that I can run the hose from the front to the back. So I had to essentially go around all the way. Thankfully, I had enough hose, probably about 300 feet, but I'm gonna get everything moved out the way. Really not that big, but pretty dirty. You can tell a lot of that organic growth. Very shaded back here. So, hey, I'm gonna show y'all the process, a little content. All right, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Hey, just real quick, appreciate y'all for watching. I don't know if you found me randomly or you're a subscriber, but I always appreciate the support. So right now, I'm just applying about 3 to 4% of SH to a pump-up sprayer on those really, really dark spots that got the heavy mode on it. I'm gonna let that dwell for about 15 minutes onto the net. So I'm about to just rinse, got a lot of wood chips or mulch. So I'm gonna do my best just to rinse that to the side so to make it easier for me to surface clean. Like I said earlier, this is really not a really big patio, so definitely was grateful. Business has been really slow, so I actually prayed to God early this week. I said, God, just give me one job, man. I'm trying to stay faithful out here, work hard, take care of my clients, but ultimately take care of my family. And the next day, I had a friend. She reached out for a quote, and she was like, hey, whatever it's gonna cost, just send me the quote. When can you do it? So I love those kind of calls. But patio was straightforward, y'all. I had to move a few things, but they weren't really bad. You know what I mean? Straightforward, easy money. Now I'm about to show y'all point of view, rinse down. Her concrete, it wasn't the most even. And she even said that how when it rains, water just puddles. And so I did have, I wouldn't say like major difficulties getting that water out, but it was a couple spots that, I had to be creative. Rinsing and kind of make a trench almost and get it out the way. So again, you can see me rinsing down. Apparently, my phone didn't record the actual cleaning process of this walkway, but this the rinse down part, my favorite part, because basically I already know I'm almost wrapping up the job. Check out these before and afters. Please subscribe, continue to follow the journey. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, take care.